Created by Lilliput, OWON XDS series product has been launched as the third generation brand new DSO, equipped with 100 MHz to 300 MHz bandwidth, 1 GS per second to 3 GS per second sample rate, and optional 12-bit high-resolution ATC. Based upon XVisual technology platform, XDS series product features low background noise, deep record length, and high waveform capture rate. Its optional capacitor type LCD, along with Wi-Fi function, improves the device operation conveniency. Furthermore, XDS series product functions as N-in-1, DSO, waveform generator, multimeter, and frequency counter, which makes the user easily get access to a bundle of tools only through one solution. XDS series product gets 16 times resolution more than its general counterpart. After signal input, vertical division zoomed in certain times. "12-bit high vertical resolution DSO restores the signal detail well, whereas its general 8-bit counterpart not able to reach the similar effect. XDS series product provides the better solution for special small signal measurement and signal detail restoration from large signal. XVisual technology covers 3 aspects: low background noise, deep record length, and high waveform capture rate. It makes XDS series product answer for the requirement in small signal measurement and signal detail restoration category. Upon built-in Wi-Fi module, XDS series product realizes the simultaneous display onto both the mobile device screen and PC screen via app to check, save waveform data timely. And to share these data with neighboring partners. Group coordination hence fulfills. XDS series product integrates 8-inch high-resolution LCD. As extra option, capacitor type LCD is available. Similar to mobile device operation habit, its screen touch experience is more user-friendly. Optional 13,200 mAh battery works XDS series product into 3 hours, which facilitates outdoors on-site tasks. N-in-1 measurement station. Besides DSO, XDS series product functions as 25 MHz, 50 MHz single dual-channel waveform generator, 4,000 count display multimeter, 12-bit high-resolution data logger, and frequency counter. The user could create own measurement station based upon different module combination. 12-bit high vertical resolution, creative XVisual technology, brand new function option. XDS series product, your customized N-in-1 on-site measurement station.